genetic engineering. So have a look here. What do you see here? You see here a group of kids. Now can you tell me the differences that you see between these kids? Can you spot the differences very well? Yes? Any differences? Yes, you guessed it right. You can see the differences with respect to their hair colors. For example, this cute little baby is showing brown colored hair. This handsome young man is showing black colored hair, whereas these two lovely ladies are showing blonde colored hair. Now what are these differences termed as? These differences are termed as variations. And why do variations occur? Variations occur due to sexual reproduction. And where do variations do not occur? Variations do not occur when an organism does not reproduce sexually. That means asexual reproduction does not give rise to any variations. So asexual reproduction shows no variations. Let us have a look here at this picture. Here you can see that this mother cell is giving rise to two identical daughter cells, and these identical daughter cells are in turn giving rise to two more identical daughter cells. So all these daughter cells are resembling their mother in every possible aspect. So asexual reproduction does not give rise to variations. But why are we talking about variations? We shall have a look at that, or we shall have a look at the reason in some time. So now, here what do we have? We have genetic engineering, which is the subject of this module. So genetic engineering. What is genetic engineering? It is the manipulation of the genetic material towards a desired end and in a predetermined way. Okay? So next, quality of genetic engineering. It differs from genetic recombination as it is an engineered process and does not take place naturally. Remember in the previous slides, we had a look at variations. Those variations were arising due to natural genetic recombination, which occurs due to sexual reproduction. But genetic engineering is not a natural process. It is an artificial process, and hence it is an induced form of variation. Next quality, genetic engineering bypasses the restrictions in gene transfer mechanisms between unrelated organisms. What do you mean by this? For example, a simple gene like an insulin gene from a eukaryotic system like humans can be cloned in a prokaryotic system like E. coli. Are these two related? They are not, and hence genetic engineering is bypassing these restrictions. So what does genetic engineering stand for? Genetic engineering is the designing, construction and manipulation of what? Yes, you guessed it right. Genes or genetic material. So genetic engineering involves the designing, construction and manipulation of the genetic material. So this is the definition of genetic engineering. So in this module, we had a brief look at what genetic engineering is. And in the next module, we shall be having a look at recombinant DNA technology.